Hi everybody, hope you're good. My name is Abby and on my channel I do wear tests, demos, reviews, first impressions. I focus on makeup, skincare and hair care, all affordable of course. So if you're interested in things like that, please do subscribe, hit the like button if you like my content, and also add a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. So without further ado, let's get into this. So I've got my Glossybox delivery and it just came today, so I thought I would get this video out as soon as possible, given that everybody else that receives their Glossybox at least a week before me somehow always seem to be last on the list. But anywho, yeah, so I thought I'd go through my Glossybox for February 2020 and let's see what we actually have in here. So I haven't opened it for the second time in a row. Normally I do open my box just to see what's in there and then I do a video, but let's both be surprised together. And if you don't already know, by the way, so Glossybox is a subscription service, a beauty subscription service where you get makeup, skincare, hair care and tools, things like that. And you pay, I think, anything between £8.50 to £10 depending on whether or not they're doing a promotion. So I think when I subscribed I paid £10 and you also pay £3.95 for delivery or £3.25 for delivery. So everything comes up to be about £13, £13.50 thereabout. So just to run down quickly in terms of the cost. So if you're paying upfront, they've got 3 different options. So you can pay for 3 months and that's £38.25. You can pay for 6 months and that's £69, and you can pay for 12 months and that's £132. So delivery is free with these upfront payment options. And then if you want to pay monthly, there's the 1 month subscription which is £10. So they also have the 12-month option where you pay £8.50. So yeah, so when so those are all the different prices. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into this and let's see what's in the box. So this is what the box looks like for February. Obviously we know Valentine's Day is coming up, so it's going to be a love theme as per usual. I do really like the box as well. Actually, it's a box I'm going to keep. So most times Glossybox boxes tend to stay the same and they hardly ever change it. They change for seasonal or for special promotions or for special occasions rather. So it's really nice that they decided to pick something like this. So we have some custom what is this, custom ribbon. It says love crosses borders, right? So yeah, that is a theme for the month. We have it here on the card. So it says, first of all, the sneak peek for March. So it says next month, all eyes will be on you as we'll provide you with the makeup and skincare you need to create eye-catching looks. First up, the Ico Black Magic Mascara, boasting a carbon black formula and curved brush. This mascara lifts, curls and adds volume to your lashes for an intense, dramatic and long-lasting look. And it says Glossy of the Month. So basically they've got a competition where if you want to win, basically it's about winning a beauty bundle. So if you want to enter the competition and be the Glossy of the Month, so to take part, it says you just simply post your unboxing photo on Instagram and tag Glossybox UK, and they'll announce the winner and the runner-up on their social channels. So yeah, I guess this is for people like myself, or if you do buy subscription boxes, at least one from Glossybox, then obviously you can post a picture. I've never actually noticed that. And then there's some other information about Glossy Credit, which you can get credit on your Glossy account, and Glossy Lounge, where you get exclusive offers and things like that. So it's usually sealed like this, and these are some of the products. Okay, so the first, okay, in the card you get a little bit of information about what's inside the box, and it says let's share the love, Glossies. So February is the month of love, so we're embracing this universal language and celebrating it in all its forms with Glossies around the world. I love you. Je t'aime. Ich liebe dich. I don't know what that is. That's probably German. It says love really does cross borders. To share all that love with you, we've carefully selected a range of products from some of our favorite brands across the globe. Use these beauty must-haves together and you all have dewy skin, a kissable pout and gorgeous eye makeup. Better yet, we've hidden 10 golden tickets inside our boxes. Find one and you'll be the winner of the brand new Silk Appeal 9 Flex by Braun. Good luck. Okay. I never win anything, but I'm going to check anyway. And yeah, I don't have a golden ticket. Anywho, moving on. First thing is something from Figs and Rouge. So this is the Wonder Love Charm Glow Elixir. So it says love begins right here in the UK. So we're introducing you to a newly launched elixir. So this is the packaging. I do love Figs and Rouge packaging. It's all rose gold and pastel pink. So this is what it looks like. So it says love begins right here in the UK. So we're introducing you to a newly launched elixir from British brand Figs and Rouge, formulated with hydrating hyaluronic acid and vitamins A, C and E, as well as minerals, rose water and rose quartz. It moisturizes your skin and enhances its radiance. Massage 3 to 6 drops directly into your cleansed skin for a revitalized glow, and RRP is £35. So this kind of feels like it might just be like a lit from within type of highlighter. So obviously it won't be a beaming highlighter slash skincare serum, I think, but I mean it looks beautiful. That's what it looks like, and it's a really good amount that you get in here. This is, I mean, this looks like it's full size. Yeah, I bet it is. So how much do you get in here? You get 30 mls. So this is like a pale pink. It doesn't have an obvious smell, and it's dissolved into the skin. Actually, there is a soft iridescence to it which is not caught on camera at all. You can't even see it, and you can see like my skin's got a bit of a tug, which means it's dissolved into my skin quite well, and it's not greasy, it's not shiny. I just love the fact that it's got some nice ingredients in here, i.e. vitamins A, C and E and hyaluronic acid. So yeah, it's got some good ingredients. Yeah, so I think my car is, I'm just looking at the ingredients, and my car is quite high up. It's like the 4th ingredient. So that's what's responsible for that soft iridescence, and I really don't mind that at all. I love the bottle. And rose water is quite high up. Marigold flower extract, sodium hyaluronate and retinol palmitate. So retinol palmitate is the form of vitamin A it has in there. I'm trying to see where the vitamin C. Okay, so vitamin C. So the derivative of vitamin C that it has is ascorbyl palmitate, and that is the 4th to the last ingredient behind 2 colors and citric acid. So yeah, it's a very, very small amount of vitamin C. I'm not even sure if that even qualifies to say it has vitamin C in it. Just looking at the ingredients, it's not great that the vitamin C is that far down, and it's not like L-ascorbic acid, which is the gold standard for vitamin C. It's just FYI. But yeah, love the fact that it has these lovely ingredients in there. I love the fact that it at least has rose water and hyaluronic acid, glycerin. Anyway, I'll definitely try this. This is something to add to my skincare routine, or at least to mix it into my foundation and see if, you know, you get that little bit of a glow that's not too obvious. So next we have a product from Star Skin. This is a sheet mask, and it's called Dream Kiss. So it says marrying Swiss and Korean beauty expertise. This plumping and hydrating lip mask, okay right, it's a lip mask, is the secret to a soft and smooth pout. Not only does it boast biocellulose sheet mask technology, which makes it fit perfectly onto your lips, but it is infused with a deeply nourishing coconut juice. Says apply it onto your lips for 15 minutes, peel off, then massage in any excess serum. So this deluxe mini is worth £4.25, but the full size is worth £8.50. So this is what it looks like. Sorry, I didn't actually show you. So just a little sheet mask for your lips, which I've never tried before, so that'll be interesting to try. So next we have 2 products from the brand St. Lux. Oh right. for a minute there I couldn't find it. So this is the brand, another rose gold and pastel pink type of branding. I do like this actually. So you get 2 lip crayons, or lip liners rather. So it says, with these lip pencils, it will be love at first pout. You'll receive 2 stunning shades, both of which glide effortlessly onto your lips and deliver some serious color. You can create a natural look by tracing your natural lip line before applying lip gloss, or enhance your pout by overlining your lips, blending it in, then applying lipstick. So RRP for both of these is £23, I believe, and it is available at stluxbeauty.com. So these are the 2 products. This looks like it's like a brownie red. It looks a lot more red on camera than it does in real life, and I don't know why. I'm not sure about that. So it's more of a brownie red than it looks, and this is a soft, like a corally type of nude. So they have been wrapped in plastic, so I'm just going to fight with this for 2 seconds. Bear with. Okay, so this is the shade Crush, and this is the shade Cupid. So this is Crush, and Cupid. So I'm just gonna, this is a really lovely shade of red. So that is Crush, and this is Cupid. And they feel quite soft on my hand as well. I do have some lip gloss on my lips. I feel like I should probably use these. Okay, so there's still a slight bit of residue of the lip gloss I had on my lips before. I'm just going to try and use this on my lips just so you can see. Okay, you can see that my lips are actually naturally dark, so applying this onto my lips just made them a bit lighter. Obviously I wouldn't just leave it as it is, I would then go over with the lip gloss or something, but I'm going to try and line my lips with the red, so let's just see how that wears. I'm just trying to rub it off the back of my hand, and it's not, you know, rubbing out that easily, so it does seem to have quite a bit of wear to it. Okay, so the application process is a bit time consuming and it's gone a bit messy on this side of my lip, but it's a great shade on my skin and I really do like this. So next we have something from Floss Beauty, and it's this product right here. So it is my new favorite lip gloss. So it says, this American beauty brand is helping you to show your pout some love this February. Boasting a smooth, hydrating and long-lasting formula, their lip gloss is sure to become your new favorite. Use it alone for a delicate tint of color and semi-sheer finish, or wear it over a similar shade of lipstick to add shine. So it's RRP £12.30 and it's from the website flossitup.com. So this is what it looks like. Again, kind of rose gold or soft pastel type of packaging, and it seems to be quite a big tube as well. Yeah. Okay, so this is actually a lip color. This is more of a pastel pinky color. That color is obviously more of a reddy color. So maybe when I'm wearing the nude color lip liner, I will top it up with this, but let's see if it has a smell to it. I do like my glosses scented. Oh, actually, it's not a squeezy tube. It comes with an applicator. So I'm just going to apply it to the back of my hand. You can see. So it will work on my skin, I believe. I might or might not need to add a darker lip liner to the outer part of my lips. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells like coconut jelly bean, like from the jelly bean factory. Yeah, that's what it smells like the coconut flavored jelly bean. That's nice. It's like a burnt type of candy flossy coconutty type of flavor, but yeah, that's what it looks like. And then lastly we have something from Glossybox that says, to give you a taste of glossy love, we're treating you to our favorite lip brush, boasting a gorgeous glossy pink handle as well as soft and densely packed bristles that will help you to flawlessly apply your lipstick. Strip it over your lippy to collect the creamy formula, then use the flat tip to line your lips before using the thick side to fill in your pout, and says the RRP is £5.10. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, so I could use this to kind of clean up the corner here that you actually can't see on camera. Let me just kiss my hands just to see whether or not this will actually transfer. Okay, so there's a tiny bit of transfer, but it's not a lot at all. The majority of the lip color stays on my lips, so which is good, and it doesn't feel dry. It feels quite moisturizing actually, but then that could be because I had some residue of lip gloss on my lips before I applied the lip liner. But oh, I love the smell of this. But yeah, I'll definitely be trying out the lip gloss on my lips in another video. But yeah, it smells nice. So those are all the products I received, and this is what's left. Yeah, so if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss any of my uploads. So until next time, stay blessed, have a great morning, afternoon, evening or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.